Hello, everyone. This is Jim Ogrozinski with your week 12 lecture video. So I'm going, based upon what I've seen, let me just start off that way. Based on what I've seen in the first draft and the peer report and some of the drafts coming in, I think a quick review of some of the material that we covered throughout the unit here, the proposal argument unit, is in order. So just to start off here on the schedule, first draft was due on Tuesday along with the report. Peer reviews are due on Friday, the final on Sunday, and then we move into our last unit. So I just want to emphasize the importance of the discussion board activity. So after Murray and Unger, we ran through a series of discussion board activities where discussion board number 12 was to help you select a topic. Okay. Discussion board number 13 gave you the opportunity to research a topic and actually find 3 sources that would help you support your argument on the problem and solution. So that was the purpose behind this particular discussion board. Then once again, in using and citing sources in discussion board 14, you were to build 2 quote hamburgers or quote sandwiches using quotes from your source material that you found in discussion board number 13. So all of this would give you a jump start to the drafting process for SA3. One topic, 3 discussion boards would have yielded you a topic, provided you with some source material to start, and then also to have really build yourself a couple of paragraphs that you could use for your draft. This is the purpose behind these discussion boards. So that being said, I want to get to the textbook because I want to talk about using and citing sources. The 3 principles of citation were covered in a previous lecture video about how to integrate the sources in your essay, all right? And it's important to look at all 3 and then how to format a works cited section here. I'm not seeing some works cited sections. I'm not seeing some sources in some essays. This is not a narrative assignment. You are required 3 outside sources that have to be integrated, not only in text into your particular paragraphs like we have here in the example, more so when we talk about the quote hamburger on how you write your lead-ins and topic sentences for your quotes to begin your paragraphs, and then the quote would be integrated into the paragraph, and then sufficient bottom of the bun here is your reflection and commentary. I provide you a list of verbs to help make claims in your proposal argument. Okay, if we were to turn around and take a look at the appendix here, many of you wrote on the essay examples, and these are pretty fair examples, especially coping with stress and anxiety, on how to integrate source material into the essay to support the idea that your topic is a significant and serious problem and that your solutions are workable and are achievable to help solve that problem. So this is the proposal argument. If we were to go back up to the unit here on how to organize a proposal essay, the opening, I provide you 2 pathways, the anecdote in the background, and along with a thesis. Then the main section is broken down into 2 portions here. Okay, problem and solution. This is the organizational structure. The proposal argument in itself depends upon a problem solution format. You dramatize the problem, establish the seriousness of the problem, and then offer solutions that would solve that problem, all right? And then your conclusion. So once again, let's look at using and citing sources. Here in the textbook on pages 13 through 15, we'll cover the quote hamburger. And then if we get to the section on how to organize a proposal, I feel a lot of people have not either watched the lecture videos or perhaps not read the textbook, or even for some reasons not even looked at the examples here in the appendix of the textbook. Straightforward examples. So you have examples, and even a really excellent example of what a works cited page should look like. So if your works cited page in your essay draft does not look like this, organized alphabetically with hanging indent, links, and all the appropriate information, then you will have a grading problem. You can use EasyBib. It's a great way to begin the citation process, but please be sure that you try to use something to get your citations in the proper order. All right. That is all for this particular lecture video. I urge everyone to review all the resources and material to complete Essay 3, the proposal argument. If you have any questions, please send me an email.